We'll guide you through how to make the sky dark in Photopea. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Many people search for this tutorial because darkening the sky can make photos look more dramatic, professional, and visually balanced. Begin by making sure your device is connected to the internet before starting the editing process. Double-click the Google Chrome shortcut on your desktop and wait for the browser to open completely. Move your cursor to the search bar, click on it, type Photopea, and press the Enter key on your keyboard to begin the search. After the results appear, select the top result, 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘, to open the Photopea homepage. Before editing, prepare the image you want to work with and save it in an easy-to-find location on your device. Next, click the Open from Computer option on the homepage. Browse through your folders, locate the image, and double-click it to open it in the editor. Your image will then appear on the editing page. To darken the sky, begin by selecting the objects other than the sky. Start with the tree by going to the toolbar and choosing the Object Selection tool. Use the Select Subject feature and wait for the selection process to finish. After the subject is selected, click Refine Edge to smooth the selection. Adjust the border and any other necessary settings, then click OK. Next, select the ground by opening the Select menu and choosing Magic Cut. Use the red color tool to mark the areas other than the ground carefully and slowly for a cleaner result, then click OK. Finally, add an adjustment effect to the main image layer. Apply a brightness/contrast adjustment, lower the brightness, and increase the contrast. Add an exposure adjustment and follow the recommended settings. Then, add a hue/saturation adjustment and customize the settings until the image looks natural. Once finished, save or export your edited image. Check the final result to make sure the sky appears darker without affecting the rest of the image. If needed, return to the adjustment layers and make small changes until the colors and lighting match naturally. You can zoom in to inspect the edges around the tree and selections for any rough areas. When everything looks correct, choose your file format, confirm the export settings, and save the image to your computer safely.